Processed foods have become a staple in modern diets, but not all are created equal. Today, we're counting down the 5 most cancerous processed foods. Stick around, as the number 1 item might surprise you. Let's get started. Number 5. Sugary snacks and candies. These tempting treats are packed with refined sugars, artificial colors, and preservatives. Consuming them regularly can lead to inflammation, which has been linked to cancer. Moderation is key here. These are not everyday foods. Number 4. Sugary beverages. While not technically a food, sodas and energy drinks are among the worst offenders. These drinks are loaded with high fructose corn syrup and artificial sweeteners, which contribute to obesity and inflammation, major cancer risk factors. Number 3. Chips and fried snacks. These crunchy favorites are often fried at high temperatures, creating acrylamide, a chemical linked to cancer. Pair that with artificial flavors and preservatives, and it's clear these are a health hazard. Number 2. Processed meats. Hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats are often preserved with nitrates and nitrites. These chemicals can form carcinogenic compounds when cooked at high temperatures. Reducing your intake can lower your risk of colorectal cancer. And now, the number 1 most cancerous processed food, instant noodles. This quick and easy meal is loaded with unhealthy fats, excessive sodium, and MSG. To make matters worse, the packaging often contains BPA, a chemical linked to hormone disruption and increased cancer risk. Instant noodles are a convenience best avoided. The good news is that you have the power to make healthier choices. Reducing or eliminating these harmful foods from your diet and replacing them with whole, nutrient-rich options can make a significant difference. Your health is your greatest asset. By being mindful of what you eat, you can reduce your risks and lead a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about the dangers of processed foods.